This video will show you on how to use FL Studio on Roblox. Well, of course, you can't run FL Studio using Roblox directly, but you can create music in FL Studio and then import it into Roblox. First is you need to go to create your music in FL Studio. You should sign in and do your thing. Prepare your audio for Roblox. Roblox supports WAV and MP3 files but recommends using WAV for better quality. You should ensure that your audio is under 7 MB. Then upload your music to Roblox. You should log into your Roblox account. Go to the Create section, select Audio under the Assets menu, click Choose File, then select your FL Studio exported track. Name your audio and then click Upload. And that's basically it. And yes.